Odisha, the sunrise state for investment. As a new dawn breaks, Odisha awakens. A land where heritage and progress move in harmony, where echoes of tradition resonate through ancient temples and the future takes shape with the rising sun. Welcome to the future. Under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Mohan Charan Aji, Odisha surges ahead. A hub of opportunity, a catalyst for progress, welcoming the world to build a future together. From Delhi's grand halls to Mumbai's bustling towers to Singapore's skyline where new bonds are forged, Odisha's ambition resonates. A pledge of growth, a future unfolding. Make in Odisha 2025 a transformational milestone on a day charged with vision and purpose. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi set the course.
जय जगन्नाथ, ये उड़ीसा में अब तक की सबसे बड़ी बिजनेस समिट है। उत्कर्ष ओडिशा कॉन्क्लेव पहले के मुकाबले 5-6 गुना ज्यादा इन्वेस्टर्स इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। ओडिशा आउटस्टैंडिंग है। ओडिशा नए भारत के ऑप्टिमिज्म और ओरिजिनलिटी का प्रतीक है। ओडिशा में अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी हैं और यहाँ के लोगों ने हमेशा आउट परफॉर्म करने का जुनून दिखाया। ओडिशा सरकार को इस शानदार आयोजन के लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं।
Unveiling Utkarsh Odisha, Make in Odisha Conclave 2025, where innovation meets opportunity and industries rise. A confluence of minds, a fusion of ambition, where ideas ignite and futures shine bright. A gathering of leaders, dreamers and makers, shaping a future powered by determination. With more than 10,000 delegates, the conclave fostered key partnerships, innovations and industry collaborations. Exhibitors presented groundbreaking advancements across diverse industries. Breakout sessions covered key sectors, while strategic sessions and numerous B2G and B2B meetings unlocked new growth and investment opportunities. Renowned speakers from industry, government shared their perspectives. Sessions on women empowerment celebrated leadership, entrepreneurship, and inclusive economic growth. Odisha stands ready for transformative investments. More than 16 lakh crore rupees committed, creating nearly 13 lakh opportunities. 145 investment-related MOUs signed, strengthening the state's growth story. As business leaders forged the future, Odisha's rich heritage took center stage. Mesmerizing cultural performances celebrated the soul of the land. Every performance reflected the essence of Odisha, a land of enterprise, artistry, and boundless spirit.
यही समय है, सही समय है।
Odisha is moving forward with renewed energy, with doors wide open and time ripe for investment. Odisha, the future begins here.